first inhabitants of the Hawaiian Islands brought along with them their customs, religious beliefs, philosophies, arts, and crafts. Though many of the customs and rituals practiced by Hawaiian natives can be traced back to the Polynesian cultures in the Marquesas and Tahiti, the Hawaiian natives were the ones who refined and perfected the different aspects of the Polynesian culture. The culture and tradition of Hawaii are actually a reflection of the land's innate beauty. The grateful Hawaiian dances, the meaningful and religious songs, and the various interesting art forms seems to be created with only one purpose, and that is to serve as instruments through which the beauty and the mystery of the place is expressed. In 1778, Englishman James Cook of the British Navy discovered Hawaii. In 1900, Hawaii becomes a U.S. territory. In 1959, Hawaii became the fifth state on August 21, 1959. The most recognizable traditional Hawaiian custom is one of the most important. The basic custom was a lei, a grass skirt called a pau, and ankle bracelets made of whalebone or dog's teeth. Men's Hawaiian shirts and the similarly patterned muumuus for women are both descendants of the missionary design that was forced upon the native people. They are both now considered acceptable for a law and a classic part of the Hawaiian wardrobe. The best shirts and muumuus are made of natural fabrics like cotton and silks and feature beautiful floral patterns native to Hawaii. One of the most popular foods in Hawaii is the Hawaiian salmon poke. The sweet soy sauce, nutty sesame oil, and sweet garlic rams work harmoniously with the satiny tuna to create something refreshing, exotic, and comforting all at the same time. The population in Hawaii are approximately 1,240,000. The Hawaiian Islands are home to some of the most perfect weather in the world, with temperatures across the state averaging a comfortable 72 degrees Fahrenheit. The warmest months are August and September, with January and February ranking as the coldest months, with a 5 to 8 degree Fahrenheit difference. Choose from something as simple as a massage, a stroll along the beach, and playing golf to something extreme such as surfing giant waves, parasailing, and jet skiing. Enjoy the brilliance of the country with a fun activity that's suitable to your needs and taste. Trust Hawaii, it has it all. There's nothing too simple or too outrageous.